What is battery pack testing? Battery pack testing means to charge and discharge any battery pack for measuring the capacity of the entire battery pack. To solve this problem, SEMCO Infratech has come up with the solution in the form of their world-known BCDS machines. We will be giving you the details of one of the best BCDS machines, which is known for its precision and perfection. Let us take you to the knowledge tour of our best-selling product in BCDS machine. Here are the 5 key features of this machine. 1. Versatility. The SEMCO BCDS machine is compatible with a wide range of battery types, offering versatility in testing various battery chemistries. 2. High precision. SEMCO BCDS machine delivers accurate and reliable testing results, ensuring the highest standards of quality and performance. 3. Multi-channel capability. The machine is equipped with multiple channels, allowing simultaneous testing of multiple batteries. 4. Intuitive interface. The SEMCO BCDS machine features an intuitive user interface that simplifies setup and analyze test results with ease. 5. Comprehensive testing. The SEMCO BCDS machine offers comprehensive testing capabilities to evaluate various aspects of battery performance. Step 1. Connect the battery pack to the BCDS with the help of crocodile clips. There are 8 pairs of crocodile clips that can be used in this machine to test 8 different battery packs at a time. Step 2. Connect the communication cable with your PC. Step 3. Now switch on the battery charging discharging machine. Step 4. Open the SEMCO software platform for this machine and analyze the testing parameters. So here we have explained the features and functions of our battery charge discharge machine. Here is the list of our other satisfied clients.